Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious mango habanero ceviche. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of raw shrimp, 2 mangoes, 3/4 of a cup of mango or orange juice, limes, chile habanero, chopped cilantro, 2 roma tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 1 purple onion, 2 garlic cloves, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by getting our mangoes ready. One mango is going to be used for the sauce and the other mango is going to be mixed with the ceviche. So we're just going to peel them. Okay, so my ripest mango is going to be used for the sauce. We're just going to get it out of the pit. So set it to the side. Okay, and the other one, we're going to try to get it out of the pit a little more prettier. Okay, so cut into small strips and then into small pieces. And now just set it to the side. Okay, so once we have our mangoes ready, now we're just going to set them to the side and get our shrimp ready. Okay, so just make sure that you clean your shrimp really good. And now we're just going to cut into small pieces. Just set it in a bowl. Alrighty guys, so once we have our shrimp all nice and chopped, now we are ready to prep them. So we're going to start by squeezing our lime juice. So just make sure that all of your shrimps get nice and covered. Okay, so I use about 6 limes, but of course it's all going to depend on how juicy your limes are. So now we're just going to mix it. And to that we're going to add 1 habanero, half of our onion, and our seasonings. Okay, so just mix it. Okay, so now we're going to cover them and place them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, so while we wait, we're going to make our mango habanero sauce. Okay, so we're just going to roast our chile habaneros and garlic. And the chile habanero is going to depend on how spicy you want your ceviche. So I'm going to be using 2 of them and just allow them to roast. Okay, so once they're ready, we're going to transfer them into a blender cup. And now we can make our sauce. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to add our mangoes, juice, and I'm also going to add chile tepin. So now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, so once we have it ready, now we can put our ceviche together. Okay, so once our shrimp is ready, now we're ready to put our ceviche together. So we're going to throw in all of our vegetables. So we've got the rest of the onion, the cilantro, tomato, and cucumber. Along with our mangoes. And now we're going to add our sauce. And we're going to mix it all together. And let me tell you, that smells delicious. Alrighty guys, and once everything is nice and mixed, you want to try it for salt. And for me, it's perfect, but of course, if you need some more salt, go ahead and add it. Now at this point, you can put it back in the fridge and allow it to chill for a couple more minutes, or just serve it like that. But now we are ready to enjoy our delicious mango habanero ceviche. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to be serving my ceviche in a tostada. Of course, you can spread some mayo if you want to, but for me, this is just perfect. So grab your ceviche and you add as much as you want. My mouth is already all watery. Okay. Going to top it with some avocado and a little bit of Valentina. And now just like that, we are ready to enjoy our delicious mango habanero ceviche. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you that I am so ready. My mouth has been watering. So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so refreshing. It's so delicious. And it's a little spicy, you know. I used 3 habaneros, but for me it's so perfect. It's so delicious. Hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious mango habanero ceviche. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.